How to delete your TikTok account. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your TikTok account permanently. So, if you're done with the app or just want a break, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines menu at the top right. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Inside this menu, tap Account, then select Deactivate or Delete Account. Now choose Delete Account. TikTok might ask you why you're leaving. You can pick a reason or just skip it. Tap Continue. You'll also see an option to download your data like videos or profile info. If you want it, request it here. If not, just tap Continue. Here's what you need to know. Your account will first be deactivated for 30 days. It won't be visible to anyone. After 30 days, if you don't log back in, it's permanently deleted. Change your mind? Just log back in within that 30-day window and your account stays active. Next, TikTok will send a verification code to your phone number or email. Enter that code, then tap Delete Account. And that's it. You'll be logged out and your account is now scheduled for deletion.